let's learn how to change your Binance email. I will show you this tutorial on PC with Binance application, but the method is very similar to any other device, so you can follow up even with your phone. So first thing first, we will have to go to application. And once you are there, click on User Center and click on this security button that will be first in a row. When the page loads, find this email and click on Manage button. Now email verification page will appear. To change this email, click on this pencil button and pop-up will appear saying that are you sure you want to change your email address? Yes, so click on continue. And now once again pop-up will appear, security verification. They will send you a verification code. You will need to enter that here and then click on submit. Then new page will appear. You will write there your new email address and you will have to verify that new address too. Once you done that, your new email will be linked to your account and you're all finished. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.